So in this video, I am going to show you 3 eye makeup looks using just 4 eyeshadows. All the products that I've used in this video are from Sugar Cosmetics. Now to start off with, I'm going to put this foundation directly onto my eyelids as an eyeshadow base, and then I'm going to blend it with my fingers. This will ensure that I have a smooth canvas to work with all the eyeshadows that I'm going to apply later on. I'm also wearing the same foundation on my face and I absolutely love it for that full coverage glam look. Now once the eyeshadow base is blended in, I'm going to set it with this compact powder to make sure that there are no creases and all the eyeshadows that I'm going to put on later will actually pop up. For this video, I'm going to use the Blend the Rules eyeshadow quad in number 14 Skyfall, and I'm going to pick this shade and put that into my crease. Then I'm going to pick this deeper shade and build it on my outer corners and crease further. Now picking this beautiful blue shade, I'm going to create a very dramatic blue wing liner. Now I'm going with a very light hand just to have an outline and idea of how my wing liner is going to look. And once I'm happy with the shape, I'm going to first blend the edges and then I'm going to intensify the pigmentation by wetting my brush. I have used rose water for this purpose in this video. And then I'm going to pick more pigment on that wet brush and intensify the shade even more on my eyes, and you can see how much of difference it makes. Now picking this beautiful purplish shimmer shade, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. It did give me a bit of fallout, but all the other shades didn't really give me any fallout as such. And yeah, I'm going to then clean the lower lash line and highlight my brow bone and inner corners using this compact powder. I didn't want to go for a shimmer highlight, so I picked this compact instead. For the second look, I'm going to start off with this purple shade and I'm going to apply it all over my lids. I want to achieve a purpley smoky eye look in this one. Next, I'm going to pick this shade from the quad and I'm going to slightly build it into my crease and smudge out the edges of the purple shade that I've applied on my lids. And then I'm going to pick this lighter shade just to clean the edges of my crease shade and make sure that everything looks seamless. Then going back with that deeper shade, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. And then further, I'm going to apply this purple shade on the outer corners of my lower lash line. And then this blue in the middles of my lower lash line. And then again, I'm going to clean everything and highlight using the compact powder. Is going to be comparatively neutral, and that's why I'm picking this shade to build it up on my crease and outer corners. Then I'm going to pick this lightest shade in the quad and apply it all over my lids. Now to add some depth to the look, I'm going to pick this blue and build it very slightly into the outer corners and crease. Mind it, we do not want any shade of blue, we just want a little bit of depth. And then going back with this lighter shade, I'm going to apply it on the lids. And then just blend everything in so that there is no harsh edges and there is a seamless gradient effect. Again, I'm going to highlight and clean everything using the compact powder. Then I'm going to densely pack this blue shade onto my lower lash line. And yes, I used loads of mascara off camera to finish off all these three looks.